English pronunciation practice, script daily conversations and common phrases, morning routine. Good morning, how are you doing today? I hope you slept well last night. The weather looks beautiful outside. Would you like to take a walk after breakfast? I usually start my day with a cup of coffee and some light reading. It helps me feel more awake and ready for whatever comes next. At the grocery store. Excuse me, could you help me find the milk and eggs? I'm looking for organic products if you have them available. How much does this cost per pound? That sounds reasonable. I'll take 2 pounds, please. Do you accept credit cards or would you prefer cash? Thank you so much for your assistance. Making plans with friends. Would you like to meet up for lunch tomorrow? I know a great restaurant downtown that serves excellent pasta dishes. We could go around 12:30 if that works for your schedule. Actually, let me check my calendar first. I want to make sure I don't have any conflicts. Perfect. I'm free all afternoon, so we can take our time and catch up properly. At work or school, I need to finish this project by Friday, but I'm running into some difficulties. Could you possibly give me a hand with these calculations? I've been working on them for hours, but something doesn't seem quite right. Maybe a fresh pair of eyes would help me spot the problem. I really appreciate your willingness to help out. Expressing opinions and preferences. In my opinion, traveling is one of the best ways to learn about different cultures. I particularly enjoy visiting historical sites and museums because they give you such interesting perspectives on the past. However, I also love spending time in nature. Hiking through forests or walking along beaches always makes me feel peaceful and refreshed. At the doctor's office, I'd like to schedule an appointment with Dr. Johnson, please. I've been experiencing some unusual symptoms lately. Headaches, fatigue, and occasional dizziness. When would be the earliest available time slot? I'm flexible with my schedule this week. Could you also remind me what insurance information I need to bring? I want to make sure I have everything ready beforehand. At the library, I'm looking for some books about modern history, particularly focused on the 20th century. Could you show me where that section is located? I also need to renew these books. They're due tomorrow, but I haven't finished reading them yet. Is there a limit to how many times I can extend the due date? I'm working on a research project and need more time. Planning a trip. We're thinking about taking a vacation to Europe next summer. Italy and France are at the top of our list, but we're also considering Spain or Greece. The flights are quite expensive during peak season, so we might need to be flexible with our dates. Have you ever been to any of these countries? Any recommendations for must-see places? Talking about hobbies. I've recently started learning photography as a hobby. It's incredibly challenging, but also very rewarding. I love capturing natural landscapes and candid moments with people. The technical aspects are still quite difficult for me. Understanding lighting, composition, and camera settings takes a lot of practice. However, I'm determined to improve my skills gradually. At the bank, I need to deposit this check and withdraw some cash for the weekend. Could you help me fill out this deposit slip? I always get confused about which boxes to use. Also, I'd like to check my account balance to make sure everything looks correct. Has my salary been deposited yet? It usually comes through on Fridays. Weather conversations. The forecast says it's going to rain heavily tomorrow. I was planning to have a picnic in the park, but now I'm not so sure. Maybe we should move it indoors or postpone it until next weekend. What do you think would be the better option? I hate disappointing everyone, but I don't want us to get soaked either. Dealing with technology problems. My computer has been acting strange all morning. The internet connection keeps dropping, and several programs are running extremely slowly. I've tried restarting it multiple times, but nothing seems to help. Do you think it might be a virus, or could it be a hardware issue? I'm really hoping it's something simple that can be fixed quickly. Shopping for clothes. I'm looking for something comfortable yet professional for work. Do you have this shirt in a medium size? The color is perfect, but I'm not sure about the fit. Could I try it on first? The dressing room is right over there? Excellent. If it doesn't fit properly, what's your return policy? I might need to exchange it for a different size. At a restaurant, we'd like a table for 4, please. Do you have any vegetarian options on tonight's menu? My friend has some dietary restrictions we need to consider. Could you recommend something that's not too spicy? We're also wondering about dessert. What's your most popular choice? The chocolate cake sounds absolutely delicious. Thanks for watching. Please give us a like, share, and comment, and click the subscribe.